relaxing. Huh? Do you feel okay? Relaxing moment. Miming. Hello guys, so hapon na tayo. Andito kami ni Miming. Miming! 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 Ayun si Miming guys. Ayaw niya pang pa-disturb. Hapon na tayo. Andito kami ni Miming. You see her! You see her! Hello si Miming guys. Hala? Ayan Miming. I feel something. So hapon na tayo guys. Hello everyone. So kumusta na kayo guys? So ito yung update natin sa gabi. So ito tayo guys in Daejeon. Daejeon. Have a nice moment. So relaxing moment muna tayo guys. Hello guys, good morning sa lahat sa inyo dyan. Good morning everyone. So how's your day and morning dyan guys? So, I hope na magandang morning dyan. Dito si Nining, kain siguro ito tinapay o eat. Here si Nining guys, so very talaga, gusto din talaga magpapansin. So eat dyan Ning. So anyway guys, tayo ay no. So good morning lahat sa inyo dyan. So have a nice day everyone. So medyo okay na ang ni Inday Joan. So medyo wala na din yung handbags natin. Medyo na din feeling better na guys. Inday Joan. Sa mood na din tayo. So yun ka, Inday guys. Meron pa ako. Opo. No, you did not eat yours? Kaintay guys. May natira pa ako. Sarap. Quiet your mouth. Opo. You want to join here? Ang sarap guys ng kape. Yummy. Hello everyone. We are here with you guys. So you see that Miming guys? Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Have a blessed day to all. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone.